The omitted effects of Garcinia cambogia. Why can't we lose weight? Well, thanks to our busy life, we just don't have the time for it. This is what we have to do to lose weight? Diet. Yeah, right. I've tried to keep my diet, but after only 2 days, I've started cheating. It's just not compatible with my work schedule. Work out? Yeah. I don't have the energy left after a hard day's work to hit the gym. Forget about the mornings because I need sleep before a thorough day. The biggest problem with losing weight is that you're constantly feeling miserable. Even worse, there's guilt after giving in to temptation. These things are demotivating for everyone. What if I tell you there's something out there which will help you lose weight 3 times faster? It blends in perfectly with erratic work schedules and makes you feel good all day long. This isn't fiction. It's called Garcinia cambogia, and it's been featured on Dr. Oz's show, quoted to be the holy grail of weight loss. The Garcinia cambogia capsule will suppress your appetite, limit fat production, burn existing fat, and makes you feel good.